30 Seductive Psychological Facts About Love, Desire, and Attraction. Ever wondered what truly drives passion, intimacy, and the irresistible pull between two people? Let's dive into the deepest corners of love, lust, and human desire with these 30 psychologically seductive facts that will leave you craving more. The mind, love, and desire. Thinking about someone you crave while listening to romantic or sensual music can intensify your emotions, making your heart race and your body tingle. Music has a way of awakening passion, stirring fantasies, and making your desires feel even more real. The last person you think about before drifting into sleep? They are either the source of your deepest pleasure or your most agonizing longing. The subconscious has no filter, and at night, your desires take over. Sometimes, you need to be alone, not because you're lonely, but because you want to dive deep into your own fantasies, exploring the depths of what truly turns you on. Solitude can be intoxicating when filled with the right kind of thoughts. Not only do humans have unique fingerprints, but we also have unique tone prints, our voices. The way someone whispers your name, the way their voice lingers in your ears, can ignite something primal inside you. Love isn't just a feeling, it's a choice. Passion may spark instantly, but true intimacy, mind, body, and soul, thrives when both partners consciously keep the fire burning. The science of seduction. The music you listen to shapes your desires and fantasies. Those who indulge in sultry, rhythmic beats tend to have a more sensual approach to love, while those who favor slow, deep ballads often crave emotional depth before surrendering to passion. The longer you suppress your attraction for someone, the harder you fall. The tension builds, the craving intensifies, and when it finally happens, it's electrifying. Psychologists say that a lover who makes you laugh also makes you melt. There's something undeniably sexy about someone who can strip away your inhibitions with a single smile, making you crave their touch even more. When a man is truly attracted to a woman, his voice unconsciously deepens, exuding dominance and sensuality. Likewise, a woman's voice naturally softens and becomes breathier around someone she desires. Men are drawn to women who exude femininity, not just in looks, but in energy. A soft touch, a slow gaze, the way she moves, these things drive desire more than any words ever could. The psychology of temptation. Too many choices can be overwhelming, even in love and attraction. The idea of having endless options may seem exciting, but deep down, we all crave that one connection that is undeniably intoxicating. People who have endured emotional wounds often develop an irresistible edge, mystery, depth, and an alluring intensity that draws others in like a magnetic pull. Writing down your hidden desires, then slowly tearing them up, can release tension and awaken suppressed cravings. It's like giving yourself permission to finally embrace what you truly want. Over 90% of mental stress stems from overthinking, whether it's replaying past encounters or fantasizing about what could have been. Sometimes, surrendering to the moment is the most liberating thing you can do. When someone gazes at something, or someone, they find intensely attractive, their pupils dilate, revealing their arousal without them even realizing it. Watch closely, the eyes never lie. Pleasure, passion, and power. The way you take a selfie says more about your confidence than you think. Those who boldly capture themselves from sultry angles, with intense eye contact, exude a natural, unapologetic seduction. Talking to yourself doesn't make you crazy, it makes you more intelligent, self-assured, and creative. And confidence? That's the ultimate turn-on. Falling in love isn't always a choice, but surrendering to passion absolutely is. Desire simmers beneath the surface, waiting to be unleashed, if you dare. Ever had a dream so intensely sensual that it left you breathless? Your mind may be giving you permission to indulge in what you secretly crave, even if you won't admit it while awake. When someone appears in your dreams, it often means they're thinking about you. Could it be that they're just as captivated by you as you are by them? The sensory secrets of seduction. Chewing gum doesn't just freshen your breath, it also increases focus and arousal, making you more present in the moment. The small, rhythmic motion stimulates brain activity, keeping you alert and responsive to pleasure. Studies reveal that those who make others laugh are often the most deeply complex and passionate lovers. Humor and desire are linked, after all, both are about breaking barriers and losing control. A surprising study found that pizza was more motivating than money when rewarding employees. Why? Because pleasure, even in the simplest form, makes us feel appreciated, and appreciation is a powerful aphrodisiac. Missing someone can drive you to the edge of insanity. The frustration of not having them, the longing for their touch, can keep you awake at night, lost in thoughts of what could be. Emotions override logic when passion is involved. When you crave someone intensely, rationality fades, and all that matters is satisfying the need burning inside you. We hold on to what feels familiar, even when it's not good for us. Toxic relationships, old flames, and past lovers linger in our minds because they've imprinted on our bodies, our senses, our desires. Unleashing your true desires. Overthinking is the enemy of passion. The more you analyze, the less you feel. The deepest pleasure comes when you let go of fear, of hesitation, of everything holding you back. It's never too late to become who you were meant to be. To chase passion, to indulge in desire, to finally say yes to what sets your soul and your body on fire. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if there's someone on your mind right now, maybe it's time to let them know. See you in the next one, if you can handle it.